Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted meeting point for weight loss, health, and wellness advice. Have you ever wondered why your body seems to store fat in specific areas, and you are kind of losing your butt but gaining a big belly? In today's video, we're diving deep into the science behind this phenomenon and uncovering the role of stress and cortisol in weight gain. Get ready to learn how stress impacts your body composition and very practical tips to combat it. So come on, and let's jump right into our subject for today. To start, we need to learn the basics on how stress can affect us and our weight loss efforts. So now, we are getting deep into understanding stress and cortisol. What is the stress response? The stress response is when your body perceives a threat or stressor. These act like triggers to the release of cortisol, more often known as the stress hormone. Cortisol helps your body respond to stress by increasing blood sugar levels to keep your muscles well energized, by suppressing non-essential functions like digestion, and by promoting the storage of fat for energy. Your body likes to be prepared for any kind of situation. You know, a very interesting fact is that to our ancestors in remote times, thousands of years ago, a stressor mostly meant a life-threatening event like a tiger trying to eat you, in which case the only thing left for them to do was running away from that threat to save their lives. Meaning they would start escaping by running like crazy and engaging into intense physical activity, utilizing the high blood glucose levels cortisol provided for their muscles. And as you might have already noticed, this is extremely different from our actual world. Nowadays, the main source of stress is psychological stress. This could be a very difficult thing to control since it involves constant thinking on the same bad memory. And for the record, if you pay attention to your thoughts at any moment after you have had any of these types of psychological stressors, like for example, discussions with loved ones or your boss, a bad experience when driving or simply just by having a bad night's sleep, then you know it feels like you are still trapped in that same moment. The thing is, your body cannot differentiate what you imagine from what is real. So if you are thinking about any of these bad memories, then you are getting yourself into a stressing psychological moment. And for your body, it would be like you are living in that moment again. This is so very interesting, isn't it? This is what you can quickly do. Change the focus of your thoughts and put them on things that make you happy and help you to forget about those bad moments. Also, get distracted with something else like meditation, exercise, a hobby, or reading a good book. Other functions of cortisol include several important jobs in the body, including regulating metabolism, managing blood sugar levels, controlling inflammation, and assisting with memory formation. Remember that having elevated levels of cortisol through a relatively short period of time is pretty common. But this turns into a massive problem when the stress or effective time gets prolonged. Then, your body gets into a constant state of alert and just does not know what to do with that much cortisol or stress. This creates a hormonal imbalance that will easily make you store fat, break muscle down, and in the long run create heart and chronic health conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure. Chronic stress and cortisol. While cortisol is essential for survival in short bursts, chronic psychological stress can lead to prolonged elevation of cortisol levels, which can have detrimental effects on your health, including central weight gain, muscle breakdown, insulin resistance, prediabetes, type 2, diabetes, high blood pressure, and lots of other health problems. So why is it that you experience butt loss and belly gain? This is the cortisol connection. Know the fat distribution patterns. Scientific research suggests that prolonged exposure to elevated cortisol levels can lead to changes in fat distribution, specifically favoring the accumulation of visceral fat, which is surrounding your abdominal organs, while reducing subcutaneous fat, including that fat in the buttocks. Also, increased cortisol levels favor muscle breakdown, and the muscles in legs and butt are generally the first to go, mainly if you stay physically inactive. The impact on metabolism. Cortisol can also influence metabolism, leading to increased appetite, higher insulin resistance, cravings for high-sugar, high-calorie foods, and decreased energy expenditure. All of which contribute to weight gain, especially around the midsection. Now that we know what are the effects that stress and cortisol have in our muscle gains and weight loss, here are some practical tips that will help you to manage stress and reduce high cortisol levels. These stress management techniques are great exercises to include into your daily habits. So, start applying them as soon as possible. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness-based techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Also include a healthy sleep pattern to better achieve mental relaxation. Daily exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity such as walking, jogging, lifting weights, cleaning your place, or even dancing are massive activities that help you to release endorphins and counteract the effects of cortisol on your body. Healthy coping mechanisms. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as journaling, spending time in nature, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. Stay as productive and distracted as you possibly can. Remember that the more you focus your thoughts on relaxing and productive activities you have to accomplish, the less you have to worry about. Also, having a balanced nutrition plan is massive to keeping your body away from chronic inflammation and accumulation of fats. Foods and tips that can help with this are whole foods. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to support overall health and hormone balance. Avoid sugar and processed foods. Reduce or avoid your intake of sugary snacks, processed foods, and refined carbohydrates, which can all contribute to fluctuations in blood sugar levels and exacerbate stress-related weight gain. The importance of self-care and good rest is great, and we want to remind you of this at all moments. Having good quality sleep is crucial. Prioritize quality sleep to support your body's natural stress response and hormone regulation. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night to optimize cortisol levels and promote overall well-being. Get yourself into self-care practices. Make time for self-care activities that nourish your body and soul, whether it's taking a warm bath, indulging in a massage, walking in nature, reading an engaging book, or simply enjoying a quiet moment of relaxation. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, understanding the relationship between stress, cortisol, and weight gain is crucial for achieving and maintaining a healthy body composition. By implementing stress management techniques, prioritizing self-care, and adopting a balanced, healthy food plan and exercise, you can mitigate the effects of chronic psychological stress on your body and promote weight loss, muscle growth, and overall well-being. Remember, you are the master of your thoughts. Focus on what makes you happy and forget about some old bad memories. The past is gone and the future is not around yet. So stay present. Thank you for joining us today and learning about the fascinating connection between chronic psychological stress, cortisol, muscle breakdown, body fat distribution, and weight gain. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on weight loss, health, and well-being. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with stress release. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us to grow and create even better content for you every week. Remember, taking good care of your health is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Remain tuned to Levitas for more valuable insights into optimizing your health and well-being. So put your thoughts into staying healthy, staying happy, and keep going.